Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to the new week. So let's start the weekly analysis video guys. Gold is too bullish right now. Gold more bullish. Gold go for the new all-time high. That's the full 500. I will tell you in the next last week analysis video, and you can see this the price how to move. And I will give you the analysis video. So I will come. You can see this the my previous week. That's on my daily. That's perfectly playing in markets. So you can see this. My expectation of the price will be go from this year. Price will be unexpected this level, so it's okay. I will remove them. Yeah. But that is my zone, and that is the liquidity of the support area. So price will sweep this liquidity, and price will be go like this. Okay. First of things, price will be liquidity sweep, and price will be go this area. I will telling you the last Friday nights. That's support 300 is a psychological number. Price will be buying from the there. You can see this is the how the price will be moved from this. Today, from the extra gap of opening and price will be continuously buying for the upside. Okay, so that's a one more psychological number. So it's my trading live charts, but that's not my weekly. So I will go for the weekly chart analysis for guys. So let's talking about the analysis for the higher time frames first. So let's see. I'll go for the monthly. Okay, so that's why I will understand the market structure. You can see this. That's the some pending buying area for the monthly candles. But you can see this price is now at the new very close to the all-time high. That's the new all-time high. So that's the all-time high. And price is be very close there at the all-time high. Okay, you can see this. That chart of the monthly time frame chart. Okay, the price will be heavily bullish impulse for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months is the gold is heavily bullish for the monthly time frames. So that's why the price will be for the going to side like this. So I will go for the weekly charts. So you can see this one clear change. That's the deep analysis video for the real market trading analysis. So that's why the chart maybe you will not understand what am I telling you. But that's the pure analysis for the real trades for the live trade, live markets. So you can see this. That's the new all-time high. I will return this. That's the all-time high. 50H. Okay. That's the all-time high. You can see this. That's the some more area to price will not tap this. So that's a more 330 piece. So it's very easy for gold to capture this all-time high liquidity. And price will sweep this all-time high liquidity and create a new all-time high, and price will be fall from the there up to this zone. Okay. So first of things, that's my bias is totally bullish for that time because the price will trying to that the price will sweep this liquidity, and that's the second quarter of the December. Okay, so I am that is the weekly, so I go for the daily time frame. Okay, so that's the daily time frame. You can see this. That's the very close to the all-time high. So that's the all-time high zone, and price will be heavily impulse move from the daily time frame. You can see this. How the price will be moved from the there. That's the good candle in the last day. The Friday night is the good candle for the interest for the new long for the capture the new all-time high. Okay. And the price will today is the good performing from this level. The price will go from the there. How the price will be which level from this price will go? That is the previous service level. You can see this, how the price will be going to be there. That's the previous service level. Wait a second. Okay, you can see this. That's the previous service level. You can see this. The price will be go from this the good service. I've told you that will be price fall from there. It will be okay, but price will be close above resistance, so price will be heavily impulse move from the upside. So I am going with the that's the daily time frame is the also bullish. So I'll retain about the two things. So monthly is bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish. Okay. Last one more thing. Also 4 hour also bullish because the four you can see this. That's the breakout area price will be right now here. So I will find a good buying entries over this zone after creating a good candle. So 4 hour also bullish. You can see this. That's a 4 hour also bullish. That it's very close to the all-time high. Price is the very close to the all-time high. That's the 330 pips zone. So easily price will give this the liquidity. That's the all-time high liquidity areas. Okay. It's not only the all-time high, it's the all-time high liquidity zone. Which is know the smart money, so you will understand the part what am I telling you. Okay. So new that is the new all-time high liquidity. So price will be trying to the sweep this liquidity. Okay. So 4 hour also bullish. I will go for this 4 hour also bullish in gold. Okay. So I think the 1 hour also bullish. You can see this 1 hour also bullish. So you can see this how the price will be reached from this area. At the previous earliest level and the reference level, I will think the price will sweep this liquidity. That's the buyer's liquidity sweep, and price will impulsively move from this here. So that's a good indication. 1 hour is the best time frame from the trade in gold. So you can see this. That's the which number? Okay. So I will buying from this the levels low. That's a good opportunity for the gold right now. Either that's the very good level for the gold. You can see this. I am telling you that's the very good zone for the gold. That's the zone. I'll mark on your charts 1 hour level. That's the A plus level. Price will become over there. So I'll be buy here. You can see this. Why I am telling for this? Because that's the no bottom width for this candle in the 1 hour. So price will be come down. So that's the one more level I will find in gold. So you that is the A plus zone for gold right now. And either I have that's the 1 hour also bullish. So I will retain about this area. Where is my what is my this? So I have written this the 1 hour also. দাঁড়া দাঁড়াও so you can see this that's the 4 hour also bullish right now and 1 hour also bullish okay are also bullish. So I will find only the buying entries in the gold. So let's thinking about the some rejection area. That is the now support for this time. That is the last support in gold. Either this support will be breached by market, not respected by the market, so it will be convert in the buying zone. Okay. Otherwise, that's the one RPS level right now. That will respect by market, so it will be fall from there up to this zone. And I think price will be come up to this area because that's the liquidity zone. But price will be go from the there. So that's the that it is the level. Either that's one level for the buying. That's fixed already only for the buying entries over there. Okay. And either price will be down up to this area right now, 24216. So that's two level will be respected right now in this one in today, either tomorrow. Okay, this will respected for the market. That's my analysis will told you. That's the liquidity zone. That's the liquidity. You can see that's the liquidity created by the market. So that's our good zone for the entries for the buying side. You can see that they have a no top bottom wick that is created a good bottom wick. So it will be price will tap this zone, price also come for this. Okay. So that's the support for that time in the markets. But I think that will be respected by market, so it will be okay. But either my analysis is told you market not respect this the reversal area. Market will is the heavily breakout on this zone and price will be go from be there. Okay. So price will be go from be there because that is the now the price will be heavily bullish. You can see this. That's the price is will be heavily bullish. So I am thinking only the buying entries. The price will be come on this level, or either price will be bleach on this level and retested on this area, and price will be come on this zone. So I will be find the good buying entries for the this highs captured. Okay, that's my analysis for the gold. So I think going for the next another that's a reversal zone. You can see this price will be reversed from the there. Either price will be go. So that's the two zone I will giving you. Okay, that's a very good zone for the trade on these areas. Either price will be fall from here, so that's why I'm coming the NYCs and I will inform my Telegram group. So you will join my community. To the link in the description. Either my the channels from channel the description bio will be also there the my links. So that's the analysis for the gold right now. The 15-minute also bullish. So gold actually fully bullish. So I will find only the buying entries. Price will be respect or not respect. That's the price opportunity. But price will let's see the price will be what happened on this time. So price is the god. To respect the price. So price and patience is the key of success in the trading career. So you will patiently wait for that calm on this level and price will be tapped over here and price will be go from the there. Okay. So let's talking about the another analysis video. Anyone interested in the any others? Yes, so I will be telling you. That's two. That's three level I will giving you, and that's three level is the play. How the play you will be check on this week. Okay, and let's talking about the BTC. Okay, and that is my daily. That is my data chart candle. You can see this how the market will be impulsively move, and that the price will be come from the there. It will be all right, but I'm coming in live for the even series I'm telling you the price will be close above this year and price will be the bullish spot that time. So I'm only the finally buying entry spot there. And that's the zone I am telling you. The price will come and price will have the play from this. That's the 450 piece plus from this zone for 302. Price is now the 436, 346. Okay. So that's a very good opportunity for this week. to capture the gold heavily moves because December is the OG month for the every traders. So that's my analysis for the gold. You can see this. I will giving only the three levels in gold. That's the three levels. I usually mark on your charts. I will definitely trade on this. You can see this. That's the also a plus areas. So it's good opportunity because that's the out the these buyers because that's the Asia low also. The Asia session is low, so price will be down, and that is the I think London low. So price will be MIC session going to the calm on this area, respect this, and price will be sweep this liquidity for the downside, and I will enter for the good buying opportunities. Either price will be respected this zone and don't respect the zone. Price will be breakout, heavily breakout of this area. So I will be very bullish entries over this zone to capture the new all-time high. That's the all-time high liquidity, and price will be go from there. So price will be more bullish for the create a new all-time high up to the 4400. You can see this. That's the 4400 is the psychological number. So let's you can target for like this area. I will increase for so my target my RR like this. You can see this. That's my RR for the like this. That's my 50 pips risk over there. So I'll giving the 1 is to 10 trade over this candle. So I'll evidently trade on this area with the good opportunity. So I will patiently wait for this zone breakout because the market is the now the very good moves and very sharp move will be on over there. So let's see what's happened in the next few hours. So let's take it about the second. So going for the BTC, okay? Let's go. Going for the BTC. Okay, BTC. You can see this. That's time tomorrow. I will Saturday night on trade. I will initiate my account. I will be show you my trade. Saturday night. I think also you can. I will share you. Wait a second, everyone. That's my amplified account, so you will be understand how the market will be behaving on these areas. Just wait a second. I will find my amplified account. Wait, brother. I'm sorry. Okay, let's open. That's tomorrow. That's I have trade on this. So mm, I'm showing you the markets. So you can see this. I think you can see this. That's my entry for the Bitcoin. Okay, 1 hour I am going because that's the Saturday night. You can see this. That's the Saturday night. So you can see this. That's the 13. That's the Saturday night, and price will be from price will be from price will be fall from with there. You can see this. That's the 1 hour 70 even 17-hour price will be giving the 100 pips over there. Okay, I will exit from the there. So that's a good trade also. That's I actually price action I will be told that's the time of this the I am telling you wait a second. That's the 9013. Okay, 90136. So that's my I will why I'm showing you because you can see this. That's my trade. That's the why that's the market will market in the sideways. So I have entry and price. I have my entry and price will be fall from the there, and my half lots we exited from the because that's the 62 pips. That's the 60 pips will be price fall. You can see this. That's the 37 pips price will be fall from the, my entries. So my half lots will be exit on there because that's the some big lots I will use. So and my hold my trade up to this, and my risks are already for the 50 pips also. So I am telling you, so I am just checking this. I am entry over the some this area 117. This type of area I will entry. This I think that's the engulfing or so I'm thinking I'm entry on this types of areas. I'm thinking there's some entries in this like this. My entry for that low will be respected by market. So I'll be entry on these areas. This candle, you can see this. That's a good candle, and I will be entry on these areas. And my risks only for the these types. And I'll go it for the 1000 pips, and that is the 1:2 easily giving me. And my half lots will be booked. So price will be from the there. So you can see this. That's the price will be 2000 pips fall, but I will capture only the 100 pips because my target will be initiated. And you can see this how the market will be currently impulsual move from there. So and support will be marked in Bitcoin. So price will be goes from there also. You can see this how the my strategy will be work. So who knows the strategy and who learn the strategy. So you will be joined my community for I have some seminar for you. Okay. So that's the 2000 pips buying from the there. So that's the good thing. Bitcoin have only viewing the selling levels, not the buying opportunities. I am going for the 1000 pips and I will that's my uploads book over there. I'm so that's my risk only the 30, 40 pips I will giving. Okay. This types of price will be down on this area, so I will my risk over the this zone because that's my risk area. Okay. So that's the 1000 pips. So that's a good trade. Also the weekend nights, how we earn from the weekends. Market will the slow right now, and that's the currently move for the Sunday evening. So I am going through the some selling opportunity in gold and go a Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you can see the Bitcoin is the right now so boring. So that's the only liquidation for the Bitcoin. You can see this. That's the price rate now the daily time frame. But this trade, this zone was not valid for the daily time frames, but that's the valid for the 4 hour buying areas. So that will be not respected right now. So I'll find only the various entries in the Bitcoin. That's the right market structure I will read. And that's the zone for the reversal also. So I will thinking I will find some selling entries. You can see this price will be rejected from there also. You can see this, that's a rejection for the upside, but that the zone is the good zone for the selling in Bitcoin. That's the 15-minute zone, but that's the good zone. And I'm not going with the 15 minutes because the 15 minutes is the now very dangerous right now. So I remove this. That will be selling area. Now I think that's the daily time frame also. Yes. That's the daily time frame selling area also. So that's the reversal zones. Otherwise, that's the one that reversal zone, selling zone. I'm thinking about the good entries. So I'll find very you can see how the market structure. That's the some complicated trade now. Wait a second, bro. If I can set on bro because the gold move will become in Mhm. I'm thinking some buying entries in gold. I don't know. So let's talk about the Bitcoin analysis. So that's the selling entries only for you right now. Okay. So 4 hour, I think that's yes, 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 yes. You can see this. That's a very good selling entry spot that time right now. You will be sell price will be calm here. So you will definitely sell uh, with a bearish interest confirmation. Don't go for the direct entries. But Bitcoin is now the bearish right now. Yeah, I will check on the tomorrow. Yesterday night. So 1 week is also the bearish time, bearish entries, and that's the 1 week buying zone. So you can see this. That's the direction for the Bitcoin. The heavily bearish candle will be print, and that's the good opportunities for the selling in Bitcoin also. That's a zone for the selling. That's a very important level, guys. You will trade on the very carefully on this level. That's a very important level. You can see this. That's the 2 weeks zones. That's not normal. You can see this. What's the zone actually? That's the support for that time in Bitcoin, and it will be break and price will be go for the retested this zone, not the simple things. Bitcoin is the heavily collapsal instrument, guys. That's not easy things. That's not trade by everyone. That is the heavily instrument, guys. That's not trade for everyone. That's the area of the selling. You will, I am told you. That's the only area of selling. Okay. So you will trade very patiently, and that's a reversal zone. Price will be come on these areas and create a good. You can go. You only trade on the 1 hour. Price will be come over there and it will create a any bearish candle in the 1 hour. So 1 hour. So you will be go for the various entries, the short the market, because there are no big risks over there. I think that's not big risk taking areas. That's the only 25 is risk taking areas. So you will go for the good trade entries over this zone. You can see this. That you easily give the 1 is to 10 trade on this level. That you can trade this level. So you will be risk the 25 pips, 25 pips, and you will be go for the 1 is to 10 trade in Bitcoin. So why not trade of this? That's the good selling interest for the Bitcoin. Okay. So that's the analysis for the Bitcoin. And I think that's a good how the market respect guys zone. Yes, 30 Uji. That's the selling my fuck up. I know price will be sell from there. I know the price will be sell from here. But that's the risk is the very weak. 1 is to 2 risks. That's my hit my answer. That's on 35 pitch risks. But first price will be hit my price will be retested and price will be fall from here. Yes 30. Yes 100. And that's the buying zone. Price will be respected very good over this. That's the buying on this zone. That's I'm thinking the 125 piece. That is how the fifth buying. 100 piece plus buying. And that is now how the risks. Okay, that's the reversal for the US 100. That's the reversal for the US 100 right now. The price will be respect this zone, so you will be sell from here, which is confirmation candle. Either you don't go for that. So Euro USD. Oh my goodness, just for fucking not trap our level. But this RBS level is a play like king. Oh my god, I will don't see this because I will not trade on this. Oh, that's the trade I missed in USD. I am not trading this pairs, but I will analysis on this for you. And that's the trade actually playing. I will thinking the price will fall more. That's the A plus buying area. Oh, price will be go from the only there. This level from the price will be go. Oof. What's the trade right now? That's the Euro USD is the 2 OG trade right, baby. That's the trade of the 1,000 pips, I think. 100 pips. Sorry. Oof. How the trade bro. That's the 100. That's the 130 pips trade in the Forex currencies, guys. That's your risks only for like this. And this the giving the trade. You only the 10 pips risks and you will giving the 1 is to 10 trade in the Euro USD. Oh my goodness, yeah. What's the trade in the Euro USD? That's the trade bro in the previous week. But that said I will miss, so I'll remove them. I'm not captured this. So I'll find a new entries. That's the RBS level. This RBS level will the play for very clearly in markets. So I'm going. Wait a second, guys. We not check. That's the very breakout zone for the Euro USD. That's the zone will be pending. So one day I'll go for the one day. Wait. Okay. So that is the daily time frame. So that's a very good candle to the real entries. I have some the price will be come to the lowing. I have tried to the price will be some down. It will be very good. But this level was pending right now. Okay. This level also pending right now. So mm, that's the daily time frames interest zone. OG level. That is the also OG level. So I have entries. Good. I find the buying entries in realistic. That's your buying entries for the Euro USD right now. Okay. Either price will be don't respect this buying entry zone. So price will be fall from the there easily up to this zone. And price will be come on these areas and create a good candle. So you will be definitely buying for the Euro USD. Euro USD you will find only the buying entries because the higher time frames is the heavily momentum for the upside. You can see this monthly candles. Euro USD now the breakout level for the sub monthly areas. So that's the good opportunity to capture the new all-time high. But this the month candle is the no lower wick. That's some issues. There are no bottom wick that is getting the first top wick and it will be rejected from this highest A plus by 1 month A plus level. That is the 1 month A plus selling level. So that's the very typical things. That's the 1 month A plus selling level. So price will be fall from there. You can see this. It's too risky, but price will be sell from is heavily selling on there. So price will be in the 4 hour selling areas and it will be create a good selling entry candle. But I am find the buying zone 4 hour having no limit, but 1 hour that's the that's the zone I think. That's the safe entry spot. But there is also one more buying level you will mark. It's two level I will giving you. The pure analysis. So that's why I find these two levels in the same areas. What can I do, bro? I have nothing to do here. So that's the buying zone for the this says the monthly support area, monthly resistance area. So that's the very important for the Euro USD right now. But this move is the OG. How the perform the simple fucking time. Good, good. So that is the dual confirmation buying zone, and that is single. So that will be the first you will check on these areas, and that is because why? Because that is the psychological number areas. So that's what I'm telling you, and that is also so you will price will be respected these two zones. So it's the very good for that. Either you will wait too patiently, and price will be close above this zone, so price will be some falling because that's the price sell from the monthly areas, monthly selling areas. Okay, so I'm telling you. Okay, USDJPY. What happened in USDJPY? USDJPY in the berries right now. USDJPY. Okay, this buying entries was not corrected by the markets, and it will be also selling from the monthly areas. It will be also sell from the monthly zones. I will remove them. That's the monthly selling area. Okay. For the swing traders, for your good analysis, you will be swing for that. It will no risk. You will be just entry and hold the full week and whole month. That's a very patient, sure. But there are no trace on this. Okay. That is the daily time frame from the price will be continuously selling in the few weeks. 4 hours. So I'm fine only the selling inches in the Euro USD. Euro USD, sorry. USD JPY. I'm sorry, bro. So that's the support and that's the buying zone. Okay. That's the support and that's the some buying zone. And that's the buying zone. Okay. Right now that's the buying zone. It will be investment card. So that is the buying zone. So I'm find some selling is more because the structure will be the sell. Mm, so some selling entries. 150 pips. That's the selling plus level. for the 1 hour is the OG for the 10. That's the selling zone, okay? I think that's the 1000 pips zone, but I don't know. That's okay, good. That's the 100 pips area. So that's the A plus in the selling area in the USD JPY. Okay, you will be trade on this. So that is your selling area, and your risks will be like this types of. There will be price will be calm and create a bearish candle. So you definitely trade for the bearish entry. But that is the very patience trade because that's a very slow trade. You will only the 20 pips risks, and you will only go for the this 100 pips zone. This low liquidity. That's the liquidity. So that's the good area. That's the one step forward. But you will be some risks will be held over there. You'll be go for the 100 pips risks, 10 pips risks. So that will be 12 confirmations, and we'll be go for the 10 pips risks. So that's your good also trade. That is the one is traded in the Forex pairs, guys. One you can see this. That's the one is to 10 trade. So that's the what you want from this. But you will be wait for that the price will be come first. Either you and that's the zone. That's the buying zone, and that's not respected. So it will be converted for the selling zone. My every zone will be first of all. That's a buying. Buying also buying was not respected by the market, so it's converted the selling zone. But selling zone also the respect don't respected by the market, so it's converted into the buying zone, guys. Okay, that's my some specialty for my strategies. I don't know which is know the strategy, but that's the analysis and that's my simply read this price action. You can see this. I will no use any type of indicators. I will see the just a real time price actions and nothing else. So that's the USD JPY trade and GU. What is the GU? GU. You can see this. How that's once not respected by the market, so it will be convert the buying entries. That's the not respected by the market, so it will be buying. You can see the how the buying. Patience is the main thing. You can see this. This level was pending for the how many days. That's not a respect. But you can see this. That's the A plus buying zone. How the market will be go from. So price will be closing above this zone. So that's the some retested, and you will go for the good buying. It is for the USD, GBP, GBP, USD. Okay. That's the entries confirmed for the buying zone. I'm not trade on this the forex pair. I only trade in the only and only I trade gold because gold is my main instrument. I only trade gold because that's the heavily, deeply instrumental for the every global markets, currencies, forex pair, cryptocurrency, everything is the very deep is the gold. Who knows the gold behaviors? See, it will be already going to the some upper level. Gold is the too complicated. Why? Because there will be some manipulation, there will be some inducement, everything trading. Who knows the main struggle in the trading career? You will the come in the gold spot chart. So you understand the how the manipulation, how the price structure will be manipulated by the market, and how the market will be moved. You will understand there. That's the thing. So you can see this GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, I'm sorry, that's the GBP USD. So that's the some selling candle I'm thinking. That's the some selling candle. And we go for that. That's the selling candle areas. That's the support also you can tell about. But that's a buying zone. You have to find a good buying area. There are three liquidation areas. So that's only my buying area. Either that is also my the selling area. Definitely, okay. That is my right now the selling zone. Price will become on the that area. So price will come this and trap a good engulfing camera. So I am the go. So that's the GBP JPY selling area, and it will be trade for the 1 hour also. So you can see this, that's the A plus selling area, that's the order block. So price will be calm on this. So that's the position you will be finding any kind of various entries, various candles. So you will be go for the downside up to this zone, this buying zone, and price will be reversed from there. Okay. So that's the analysis for the GBP USD. So last big pair, that is the GBP JPY. Oh, it's come on the buying area. So I will find them. Oh, at the level, bro. What the level actually playing? That's the same single fucking level was playing this. And you can see this. And totally price will not have a level and price will move these types. So price will come from this level to, and that is also buying area. How the market will actually move. That's a good investment. Come good. Very good. So GBJPY. GJ for the good buying zone. That's other price will be, that's the liquidity area also price will be sweep. That's the buying zone. I think that's the buying zone respected by this market right now. I think overall that's the zone. That's the buying zone actually playing. So I will try it, that will remove them. That will be not respect, so that is not valid right now. So there are no validation for this. But daily time frame, that's the okay. It's going from the 1 day buying area, guys. That is the zone for the entry in GBP JPY. We will insert the entry, so you will be go for there. Okay, that's the good entry zone. You will only reach the 25 pips, this candle low. 25 pips, I need to really go for the 100 pips. It's easily get. It's easily get. You go for the 1 hour. So price will be the same areas. So that we tested. So let's see. That is the good opportunity zone for the buying interest in the GBP USD, GBP JPY. Okay. You will reach the 25 pips and you go for the 100 pips. That's a good area for the interest. That's a daily time frames. That's my analysis is the real, so that's my video was the too long for the analysis video, not the going the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, because there's a deep analysis video from. So my analysis for the long. Okay, so that's the level for the GBP JPY. That's the only buying level, and it's respected by the market, so it will be reversed from there. Either that is a one more level. That is that. That is the level will be respected by market. It will be okay, but that is the more one more buying level. Okay, so it is the good level. You definitely trade about this. That's the retesting this shown. So you will get entry here. You have a no big risks. That is a 25 pips risk. You can go the 30 pips also, and you use the minimum lots for this trade because that's like slowly going. So you will hold the okay. Let's see. So that's the analysis for that time. And yes, 30, yes, 30, yes, 30. Oh my God. That's the reversal RBS level I will find. I will check. Price will be calm. You will be definitely buying on this. Okay. But my you can check this how the market will be moved because my strategy will be now created for this highly manipulative. That is the very manipulative and very volatile markets. So that was not for that. But even my strategy is in the normal forex pairs, you are also heavily profitable for that. Okay, that's the zone I marked. Okay, because that's the daily time frame zone. Okay, that's the zone. You will trade on this. You will trade on this level. You will understand the how will market do on these areas. You will understand how the market will be moved. Either that's the zone of that, that's the selling zone. That will be don't respect it. That's some support area and price will be don't respected this level here. So that will be your entry for the capture the new all-time high in the US 30. Okay, that's the selling right. So selling zone, okay? That is the selling zone for that time. Okay, and it will be not respected. It will be it will be not respected here. So price will be go from there. So it will be retested for this zone definitely, and you will entry for the this area. That's your entry zone. That is your result point. And so you will be go for the new all-time high. So everything is the higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high formation. Okay, nothing else. So that's the analysis for that time. I will told you. So it's the weekly analysis video. I think that's just too long, 1 hour. So, but I will telling you the very perfectually and the very purposefully by point. I will told you how the market will be movements because you will check my weekly analysis every weekly analysis video, so you will understand the how the market will be moved from there. Okay. So there I will. I think I have a one trade for you. I will give them that going for 1 minute. Price is very close to its zone. So you will be go for the 5 minutes. So we're not trading the 1 minute because the market is too volatile in the 1 minute. So you can see this. That's the very good candle with the print. So price will close above this soon. I will giving you for this the London session. Price will the breakout this soon and retested, but some bearish candle for the some downside. So you'll definitely entry is over here and you go for the buying side. You entry for the buying side because the I think the gold market that's type of doing so it will be heavily bullish for that time. So you will be find only buying entries. Otherwise, that's the heavily breakout candle I want first. Either the market will be fall from here to entries for the downside. It will be come again for the fourth 300 today. That's the breakout candle I want actually. You can see this 15-minute candle is the heavily bullish candle was print. So you can see this. The market is now very close of these areas. So you can trade about very carefully of this. So that's the zone for the buying in the gold. Okay, that's the zone. Wait, 1 hour mark. That's good for the chart. Okay, so you can see this. That's some FBGs. So that is now the that's the FBG right now. But everything is told the buying entries on this. Nothing else to find. So it's a bullish. Mm, how many licks on these areas? I will check it first. 50 pips. So that's the zone. So that's a buying zone for the gold. That's the A plus buying zone. Okay, guys. You trade it very carefully because that's the price will be good for the only find the buying entries for the buying is the come to capture the all time high. This is very close to the all time high. That is the all time high zone. The price I told you that the zone price will respected first the heavily breakout zone. Either it will be not respected, so it will be due. That's the wide rejection for the come these lows. Price will be try to come these lows and tap these order blocks. That's the one pending buying level. That is also pending buying level. That is the 15-minute buying level and the 5-minute buying level. So that's will be fall like this. So it's come to that. It's good for the gold. Okay. So it will be interest the buy interest. That's why interest institutional was the entering the this level here. And you can see this, that's the level will tap and how the price will be moved from here. That's the one, that's the first plan. I will tell you. Either price will come on this level. I told you, Mark, I'm coming the analysis. So we'll check you this type of buying coming and that it's not respected, it's okay. But this type of buying definitely come. Only my view is the only buying. Buying and buying, nothing to selling in with the gold. Gold is the heavily bullish for that time. Okay, that's the three types of trade will be here. So that's the three opportunities for the here. So you will mark on your charts this level. So 15 minutes is the good level. That's two level I will giving you. Okay, that's my trading charts. So that's three level. Three trade will be here. So let's see this what the price happen. Okay. So that's done for the day, guys. I think. Thank you for watching this stream. You will some benefit on our stream, so you will like this stream. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will come in the analysis, but that three trades price will be closing above this zone. So you will be bullish interest. Either that's the two trades zone. So you will trade on the bullish. You only trade about the bullish in this week. Gold is the bullish right now. Thanks for watching.